Hey guys, are you looking to share your YouTube channel link with your friends on Instagram? In this helpful video, I'll show you how to add link to your YouTube channel in your Instagram bio. After watching this quick tutorial, you'll be able to share your YouTube content with all of your followers on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, simply open up your YouTube mobile application. After that, make sure you are signed in into your YouTube channel. After that, tap on the channel icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, from here, you simply have to tap on view channel. Once you are on the screen, simply tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on share. From here, you simply have to copy the link. Once you have copied the link of your YouTube channel, you simply have to exit this and open up your Instagram mobile application. From here, you have to simply go to your profile by simply tapping on profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on edit profile and you have to go to links. From here, you simply have to paste that link. From here, you simply have to tap on add external link and here you have to paste that URL that we have copied, and after that you have to click on tick at the top right corner of the screen, and now the link of your YouTube channel has been added to your Instagram account. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.